A very famous quote of India or for the democratical countries as like for the people, by the people, and just only for the people. So just because you don't take interest in politics, it doesn't mean that politics doesn't take interest in you. So hello everyone, it's me Himanshu and I would like to enlighten you by my words, and let's dive in the ocean of presentation, and I hope that you will going to learn a lot of information about the government or the voting system by me. So, whenever we talk to our parents, to our siblings, to our friends, about the government, about the development, about the GDP growth, about the infrastructures, that the all things are just directly proportional to the government of India, which we have chosen. The Constitution of India has done a lot of things for us as like equality, equity, and many more. And rather it's come to the main point that somewhere it's also expect from us that we will do also some fundamental duties as like right of votes, choosing the government, electing the government. That's the things that is the relationship between the citizens and the government. And there is a very famous quote of India or for the democratical countries as like for the people, by the people, and just only for the people. So what is it all about? It's all about the relationship between the citizenships and the government which we have chosen. And the right of votes leads a lot of things as like privilege, brotherhood, and many more, and the relationships between the citizens and the government. It's also provide us the brotherhood. If that the right of vote is the only thing and which provides and leads that if you are celeb, it doesn't mean that if you are anything, if you have power, if you are superstar, it doesn't mean that even a poor person, even a 100 crore, the person who have the worth of 100 crores, both have one equal right. That is all about right of votes. That is how I compared it. It's promote or leads the brotherhood. As rather it's come to the second point or the second hand, there are some democratical country who represent themselves on the international platform that they are such a democratical country as like China, Russia, and many more. So I would like to elaborate the voting system of China. There is only one party get elected, and the two peoples get elected from that party. In the citizens only have to choose the one of person from all of them. What is this all about? Even the citizens don't even have to right to build up the next party. Do you really consider it is a democratical country? I don't. Even the mature things is saying always it is not. The democratical country is all about right of vote, where each and every person have to vote to elect a person to a leader. What will happen? Let's think about this. What will happen if we will choose the wrong leader, or the person who is not able for the leadership? That person is going to represent our country national as well as on the international platforms. We do not even have idea if that person is not mature, if the person do not have the courage to represent them country, what is going to be happen? The reputation of India is going to be on trash. That is the main thing. That is why we should always choose that person who are capable for getting elected as well as for speaking for themselves and speaking for the country citizens too. As well as there is one very famous quote that in Hindi, हमने सुना है जिसको चुना है उसने कहा है सुनना मना है. What is the real meaning of that? The real meaning of that is all about we choose the wrong government or the wrong leader, and now what is happening? We do not have power, we do not have right for speaking for myself. Even if I am speaking here, if I have courage to speak for myself, it means that I have choose the right government. Just because the government is providing me the platforms or the applications where I can elaborate myself and where I can speak for myself. And that is the biggest thing about the democratical country, and that is why the voting system is very essential and significant. At the end, I would like to bind up my words, and I would like to say one quote which is very famous, that voting is not all about the least we can do. The voting is all about the most we can do. So I hope you have learned a lot of things by my presentation. Thank you all.